Okay. So the topic for today's group discussion is world is witnessing water crisis. What according to you is the major reason? Population expansion, lack of water management or any other? Okay, so let's start.
Deforestation and also industrialization.
Okay. So see, water is one of the most important and vital element for life on earth. Okay, and the surface of earth is covered with 71% of the surface is covered with water.
Waters.
Okay, but only 2.5 to 2.8% of the water available on earth is in the form of fresh water, right?
So
Yes.
water crisis has become a very common yet serious issue in today's world. According a recent report, nearly 1.2 billion people lack of access to clean drinking water. It estimates that today 785 million people, basically one out of nine person, is lack of access of safe water, safe drinking water.
Not just
Yes, and
I
also around 4 billion people, that is two-thirds of the global population, live under water crisis for at least 1 month in a year, which is a huge number. 2 billion people.
Yes, and that's not only the point that water, safe water. The point is also about the amount of fresh water because the amount of fresh water available on earth is limited. As I told, that only 2.5% of the total water cover on earth is in the form of fresh water, and that too, most of the fresh water is in the form of iceberg or glacier. So we are here with just a small amount of water, and that too with
No, but a study suggests that we can use that water that you are saying is not usable for us by desalination program. We can purify the seawater and use it.
yes, that's also an
So that's
important.
not the point that we are holding a fixed amount of water. If we can improve our technology, we can also use the seawater that is not usable for us right now.
That's where the point of water management comes.
Yes,
Water
exactly.
management is managing the resources we are given with. How well we can manage with the fresh water and how much fresh water we can create from the saline water. That's what the water management is, right?
So, first, before going into the water management part, we first discuss about what's the water crisis and what is the water crisis basically, how it is affecting our world.
See, water crisis is more about, see, we had the amount of water as it was before, but recently the growth of population has increased manifold. Okay,
Hmm.
and with the growing population, more amount of water is required. So the amount of water is getting short. We are in the on the verge
And
of getting short of water, right?
Yes. See, from my point of view, water crisis or water scarcity is driven by two important factors, which are one is the increased use of fresh water, just you said the growth of
That's
population,
the excessive
and
use.
the yes, and the depletion of usable fresh water. Both factors are more important with each other. The scarcity can be also two types: physical water scarcity and economic water scarcity. Now, please let me finish. Physical water scarcity is basically when what can I say? Physical water scarcity caused when a natural water source is unable to complete the demand of the specific region, like lakes. Basically, a area is a lake covers the whole area's water satisfaction, but the lake is uh, when somehow the water consumption is high, the lake can't meet up the water the lake can't meet up the demands of the particular region.
Okay. See,
yes, yes.
one thing I would like to say is that there was a report, the global report, which suggested that in 20th century, the global population was tripled in 20th century, but the use of water was increased to sixfold, right? So
Okay.
this shows that with the growing urbanization, the amount of water being used by an individual has increased, and that's what we call it as over use of water or excessive use of water. So we need to cut short that excessive use.
Yes, but there is some major noise in someone's mic. Hello.
Hello.
Major issues of water shortage, like climate change, natural calamities like droughts and floods, overuse of water, wastage of water, increase of human consumption, global rise of freshwater demand, and etc.
And one more important point is that with the growing population, the population needs food. Okay, and for the generation of food, more amount of water are being used, right? So there are
Yes, it's also a proper reason, but there are also many reasons like climate change and floods, etc. We have to look on
Exactly.
that part also.
To me, the two most important factor is obviously number one is population and number two is climate change,
Wastage.
because population just keep consuming the fresh water and the climate change, they are just melting the glaciers, and this is the two reason that we have water crisis.
and one more point is that the water we the amount of fresh water is limited, and human due to human activity the fresh water is getting polluted every day. We
Yes,
dump
because of
yes we dump
agriculture activities. Yeah.
agricultural activity, waste manage due to lack of proper waste management. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes.
there are other industrial activities which is polluting the water. So we are the amount of water is fixed, fresh water, and we are day by day we are polluting the fresh water, and it is deteriorating the quality. So
Yes,
it's
and
not only it's not
water
only
crisis is
about the
affecting our
quantity.
life very.
Repeat once more.
No, what I'm saying is, and the water crisis is affecting our life in many ways, like
Yes,
health crisis. Over 1 million people nearly die each year from water crisis.
yes, it's water crisis. Water crisis plays water plays a very important vital role in the human development as well as the development of other species, for the development of tree ecosystem, biodiversity. Everything is related to water, right? And if the
Yes,
water is getting polluted, what's basically happening is that human are not getting the desirable safe amount of water, what we can say.
but they're
Yes.
all, but the humans are affecting by it in a in many ways, like diseases, water-related diseases. The lack of water for they die, over a 2 million child dies of water-related diseases every year.
Yeah, because
So these are the huge numbers.
Yes,
children are vulnerable to
water
diseases.
crisis and water crisis also can leads to food shortage. And according to some expert, our country by 2030, our 40% of the population will not have access to clean drinking water. 40%, and the next century, that is in 80 years, this can decrease. The shortage rate will go up 80%. So the population is keep going in increasing.
So there are we have seen that there are a lot of factors which are
Causing
responsible
water
for
crisis.
water crisis.
Causing. Hmm.
Be
Yes,
it the be it the increase in population, be it increase in
or
consumption of
climate change.
water, be it the human activity that is deteriorating the quality of water.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and also and also it has a third factor, which is very recent one, just like coronavirus. In coronavirus we have to wash our hand many times, and this coronavirus haven't relieved the water crisis, but it just also just accelerated it, because people use so many water to wash their hand,
In the recent years,
Yes.
especially in cities.
we have seen a lot of water crisis, but one crisis I can remember is that of the Chennai water crisis in the
Yes,
year
in
2019.
2019, the
2019,
crisis, the Chennai water crisis.
when
Yes.
for some weeks the fresh water of Chennai was basically, there was no fresh
But
water available for consumption. So it has to
yeah,
import.
the reason for Chennai water crisis is, as I said earlier, the natural resources. There is a lake near Chennai which give the water to the people. From that, people drink water. But the lake got soaked and people are getting a huge amount of water crisis. Over a million of peoples.
Yes. So from here we can see that that problem would have been means that could have been solved with better water management, if it would have been a better water management, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we also need to have focus on better water management. And one thing we have talked about the flood and flash flood. See, we in
Yes.
India, most of the water comes from rain. Okay, and in the rainy
Yes.
season, what happens? The water level of the river increases. Okay, and with the increase of water level, floods occur in most of the part of the northern states, and well, some southern parts of India also are vulnerable to flood. Right. So if we are
Yes. Yes.
able to manage that, if we able to divert that water and store it for future use in the dry season, it can be a it can play a important role, right?
Yes. It will be very important.
Yes.
Yeah, and there are other solutions also, like our daily uses water. So there are two types of water we can use. Like basically, water is like gray water and black water. Scientifically, there are two types of water, gray and black. So we can't use the black water because it's basically toilet water or drainage water. We can't use it or reuse it. But gray water, like our shower water or our tap water, our washing machine water, we can reuse it in many different ways. Like for plants, for our
For
toilet, we can reuse it in many different ways. So in that way, we can stop the wastage of water. That
and we
small
can
little
all and
step
there is
will.
also a model of collecting of rainwater harvesting when there is a
Yes, rainwater harvesting. But yeah,
that is
the
a con-
point is, yeah, your point is right. But rainwater harvesting is is need a very I'm run out of points right now.
yeah. Okay. So see, what in terms of water management we are lacking one more important point is that with increasing time the groundwater level all over the world has deteriorated and it is going down. So we also need to replenish the
We
groundwater.
also need to replace the groundwater.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Hello. Yes, and also there is a very effective method of cultivating the water from the air. So we just need to condense it, and then the water, and also it has the advantage that the water we get collected from the air is basically free of pathogens, and also it doesn't contain any metal in it. So combine this are the method of water management. We can really solve the water crisis. Like there are so many options are available.
Yes. So let's just sum up this discussion. Okay.
No, no, no. There are many points right now. Wait, as you said earlier, rainwater harvesting. It
Yeah.
is a very proper method to stop water wastage, right?
Yeah.
But
We-
the government have to implement it properly. Like rainwater harvesting is implementing in Bangalore since 2010, but there are no results of it. People are not having profit of the rainwater harvesting process. So the government have to implement it properly and look after it.
So there comes the role of policy making, where the
Yes.
policymakers have to have a keen eye, and their approach must be wider in terms of the
Yeah.
implications.
And the other point is, as I said, retreating the wastewater and also revealing the natural lakes. That's what happened in New Delhi. They
Okay.
they revived the natural lakes, and in that way, people can use the water.
Okay, I will like to ask you guys that according to you, both of you, which are the best method of just water management, saving the water crisis in the future? Could you guys give me
See,
one point?
See, for
see,
water
there is
to
no single point for it, no single process. First, we every citizen has to aware of it.
see
If we
Okay.
start awareing of it, we know we don't need any government or any implementation, any policy.
when
All
it
right.
comes to
We have to
water
change,
crisis,
start changing our lives.
when it comes to water crisis, we can cover this. We can come out of this crisis with the help of citizens and the government. They will have to come together, and also the different organizations which are
Yes.
made for the water purpose. There are a lot of organizations that are working for the development of
Yeah,
water
like you
bodies.
said,
So
Okay.
yeah,
if they
the
come together,
organization
then
come,
only there is a solution, right?
yeah, the organization come up with some new scientific ideas like desalinations.
Yes, that is a
I
very
don't know if
good.
you heard about this or not.
That's a very good point. That desalination
Yeah,
of the seawater, and
seawater, and one more important point is it's in the research process right now. It's cloud seeding.
yes,
Cloud seeding is that in that way we can increase the chances of raining if we start cloud seeding. But it is now in research position. There is no perfect proof of that.
but
But eventually it will.
yes, but
And
one
what is
important
the most efficient way of just say me the process by which water crisis can be solved, and we will have proper water
see
management, the
the
most
best way
efficient.
the best way is that we need to have we need to cut the wastage of water so that water will be saved, okay, and
Yeah, and also rainwater harvesting is a very proper and huge process to save water. But we have to implement it first properly.
and also
Rainwater harvesting is a perfect way to stop wastage of water.
And also to me, the climate change, controlling the climate change is a very important factor,
see
because
climate
see,
change is obviously a very
Himalayas have so many glaciers, okay, and it just provide 2.4 billion people. It provide water to 2.4 billion people. Okay, like China, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. It has so many rivers: Ganges, Indus, Brahmaputra, and recently researchers have found that it is melting very fast, which causing flood and also the loss of water. So when we
See,
control the greenhouse gases, so this melting could be stopped, because we just lose a huge amount of water by the
see
process of
from see
melting of the
from here
Himalayas.
I would like to add one more point is that due to climate change, what's happening is that icebergs are are melting, and the sea level is increasing, and the study
Yes.
shows that by the end of 21st century there will be an increase in the sea level, and the implications would be that the countries like Maldives or Indonesia, and in India the cities like Mumbai will be on the verge of getting
True.
means they will be
Sinking.
submerged under the sea, right? And
yeah, like Sundarban started sinking
yes,
as a very huge amount, very huge
so
area in
what will
right now
happen
sinking
is that
under the water.
the people from the coastal area will start moving towards the center, okay, and we will fall short of land, and also in the coastal area wetlands are wet, a lot of wetlands are present.
See, what you are saying about climate change is right. Obviously, it's right. But this process will take a long time. It's a long-term process.
See,
We
but
have to complete it step by step. But right now, if we are trying to stop the wastage of water, we need to start the proper
yes,
start the implements of the daily use of
Yes,
our water,
we need to
like
conserve
stop
it.
wasting our water
but
and reuse it. So in
but
that way, we can make a huge difference. But the climate change factor will take a long time,
yes, but one
as
No,
you
thing
no,
I
guys
would like,
we don't
obviously.
have long time. We have only 30
30 to 50 years.
years to. Yes, and in 80 years it will be worse. That is very less time. So we have to control our carbon footprint.
I would
Not
like
not
to
only
add
India
one
but
more point,
the
that
neighboring country.
I would like to add one more point from here, is that we need to
Yes,
take both the steps side by side. We also need to
Yes,
save water.
yes,
We also
both.
need to replenish the groundwater, and side by side we also need to keep a check on climate change and global warming. Right?
yeah. So in
Yes,
that case, there comes some many topics like we need to stop polluting the global, polluting the air, polluting the
Polluting not
whole
only the air,
environment.
in fact, the water pollution is also a very much important.
Yeah, obviously, but if we need to change the climate change global, as you said, but they so that we need to stop air pollution, like we need to stop using cars or vehicles.
See, that's not the
yes, or
solution
just
of means not using car. There is
But
always
indirectly it is right.
the
Indirectly it is.
petroleum, the fuel cars needs to be reduced.
Yes, yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
we have to
Fuel
stop
cars,
using
obviously.
petroleum.
So that electric cars are coming in the market. Okay.
Yes, not only car but also the other type of transport such as trains, and also the industry should control the pollution, which and also the agriculture department. So overall, I think the only citizens and government can control all this pollution and also the water conservation and also the water
So
pollution,
see, I would
climate
like to
change.
add my closing comments that there needs to be awareness in public. Okay, a lot of things are being done by government to aware the citizens of India, like Jal Shakti Abhiyan was started, Jal Hi Jeevan Hai, this tagline was given. Okay, and I see that means it is doing its work. Okay, but still a lot of people are there which
But
need.
government, just as you said, Jal Shakti slogans, but government is not aware of these things. Our Jal Shakti minister, Mr. Gajendra Verma, states that water crisis is a fake hype created by the media. If
Yeah, there.
if the minister of Jal Shakti is not aware of the water crisis, then how will government will
So from
implement it?
here again comes the, see, everything is connected, and from here again comes the awareness of public when he is selecting, public is selecting
Yes,
the public representatives. There comes the point.
Yes.
So see, everything is connected, but in the root level we have to work in the root level. If the roots are strong, then obviously the tree will grow
we
big,
will
right?
yeah, strong.
Yeah. So basically, first we have to start changing things about ourselves.
Yeah,
The
ourselves, our
small small
society,
step
our
we take.
friends,
Yes, exactly.
and
The small steps
simultaneously,
can change a huge amount of things.
and then if these things will change, then there will be pressure on government also for better implementation of the policies.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, so have anyone got any other point?
No, no, I think we
no,
almost
I think
got
we are done.
a
Okay,
huge point.
okay, so I am closing this group discussion.